I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Each episode, I tackle a different term or concept from the world of real estate that will guide you through the journey. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the notifications bell. There's a new one of these episodes every week. This is episode 80, and this is actually part 3 in a 6-part series. Today we're going to be talking about disclosure. As your real estate agent, my responsibilities to you could be wrapped up in a simple term, OLDCAR. Each letter represents a different obligation. If you want more information on that, you can see episode 63 for a general overview. As your real estate agent, it's my job to give any information that you would need to make a wise decision. If I know the buyers are willing and able to pay more for the property, I should disclose that information to you. If I know that a buyer is unable to close the deal because of other circumstances, I should disclose. If I know, then I should disclose. If you like these videos, there's more of them along with a ton of other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can check me out on Facebook, YouTube, and other popular social media sites. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.